Hello, it's Monday, July the 11th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar traded mixed against most of the major currencies due to a decline in risk appetite among investors and negative economic data. The non-farm payrolls grew at their slowest pace in 9 months as unemployment rose to 9.2%, the highest level this year. Stock markets closed negative as the Dow fell by 0.49% and the Nasdaq lost 0.45%. Crude oil dropped for the first time in 2 weeks by 2.70%, closing at $95.90 a barrel. Gold rose by 0.75% and closed at $1,542 an ounce. Gold may continue to gain as debt concerns in Europe and the US spur demand for a safe haven. Today, no economic data is expected. The euro fell against the US dollar as Moody's Investors Service cut Portugal's government bond rating to junk and European banks faced more stringent stress tests. In addition, there is high concern about Italy after shares of Italy's biggest banks fell to the lowest in more than 2 years and government bonds dropped, driving 10-year yields to a 9-year high. Trading below resistance at 142.70 will keep the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 141.96 and a high of 144.65. Today, no economic data is expected. The pound strengthened against the greenback due to positive PPI, which rose by 0.40% versus 0.10% forecast. The trend for the pair is still bearish, and overall the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.31 and a high of 160.77. Today, no economic data is expected. The dollar fell against the yen due to poor economic data from the States. If the pair succeeds in breaking the support level of 80.50, it may bring it down to 80. Tomorrow, the Bank of Japan begins a 2-day policy board meeting. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This fell against its US counterpart on speculation the US economic recovery is slowing and will slow in the coming months, and amid heightened concern that the European debt crisis may spread. The Canadian economy's main export is oil, so if the global economy slows, it will damage the local economy. Today, housing starts are expected to grow by 182,000 versus 184,000 previously, and BOSC Business Outlook survey is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.